Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use mask in Filmora 12. So basically, first of all, as always, I will need you guys to open Filmora. Right after that, this page or window will be open for you. Now, make sure that you have connected your account. Basically, it's a pretty simple way. Just go ahead and use your Gmail, Facebook, or Twitter to log in, or just create an account using your email, password, and name. Now, after you created your account and log in, here you choose the aspect ratio. So make sure that you have chosen the correct aspect ratio for your projects. So as you can see, here is multiple option. For me, I will use this white screen. Now, let's create a new project. After that, this icon will appear for us. Let's click on it to drag our files. So let me drag this video, and here it goes. Now, as you can see here, if I don't click on this video or clip that I have added, I will not have the access to the mask menu. So what am I going to do is the video that you want to mask it, you have to click on it first. So here I am, clicked on it, and I have this page. Here, as you can see, there is multiple components and settings for the video. For me, I don't want to do any of this basic stuff. I will go directly to mask. So here, as you can see, there is like multiple option of masking. Here is like none, and there's some like presets of like an already made mask effect that you have, for example, on your PC. You can import it through here. Here is like a pen that you can draw with it, like masking something, and etc. You can like make something like so, like that, and you can keep playing with it as you'd like. For example, you can make a blue strength if you want it to be blurred, and it's really cool effect, as you can see. So yeah guys, if you want to make something like masked or like a circle, you can use this one. So for example, something like that. You can even make the blue strength again and play with it as much as you'd like. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually use the mask effects in Filmora. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.